Welcome everyone. We have already seen two sessions, tutorials. One on creating your account on Quizzes, and the other one was changing the account type on Quizzes. Today we are going to learn how to create a quiz and post it to Classroom. So first, let us go for creation of a quiz on Quizzes. For that, you first need to log into your Quizzes account. I have already logged in here. On the left hand side, you can see there are many options. So we will go to the create option. The moment you click on create, this is the dialog box you are going to get. So let us give a name to our quiz. Suppose we want a quiz on GK and conversation. So GK and conversation. So choose the relevant subject from here. Let us see the subjects that are here. Education. So let us select as social studies and click on next. Well, now we get this page where there is an option for new question and teleport. So first of all, we'll go for new questions. Under new questions, this is the quiz editor where we are. Under new questions, we have multiple choice, checkbox, fill in the blanks, poll, and open-ended. So open-ended are nothing but basically short answer type of questions. So basically, we are going to stick to these multiple choice and checkbox. If you want, you can go for fill in the blanks. And polls are not graded. So if you have any poll question, there will be no points given for that. It will be a ungraded question. So let us start with multiple choice. Click on multiple choice. Write your question here. Suppose I want to say that I want to ask, what is the room where we prepare food hot? And in the answer option, we can put the options as bedroom, kitchen, and say dining room. Okay. Add answer option. Just see there is, I'll just give these three options and see in the end there is something known as add answer option. Click on that. Click on the correct answer and save. You can also put the timing over here. It's default time allotted to answer this question is 30 seconds. If you want, you can increase it or decrease it, and there we save. So that is how we can create a multiple choice question. Let us now add a new question. I'm going for multiple choice once again. This time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask the same question, but instead of writing it, let me put it as a sound, audio file. To do that, I'll click on this audio file, this speaker icon. Click on new. Click here to record. The maximum time limit for recording is 10 seconds. So be careful. You have to keep your questions limited to 10 seconds. So here I go. What is the room where we prepare food called? What is the room where we prepare food called? Okay, so let's play and see. So if you are happy with your audio, then just click on save. Well, your audio question is here. As for your answer options, you can also put some image. So click on this image, and then over here you can go, if you want, you can simply upload a picture over here. So let's see. If I want to upload a picture, then they'll ask for the link or for your picture from where it's to be uploaded. If I don't want, I want to put it from some other place. If I want to use some pictures that is already in the internet, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here, click over here. Let's say first of all I want to put some image of bedroom. So bedroom images. We have it here. So just click on any of the bedrooms that you feel you want to give, and sorry, okay, and here what you can do is you can save, I'm sorry, you can copy image address, or also save image as, let's save image, put it as bedroom. I'm saving it on the desktop. Now go back to your quizzes, click over here, go to desktop, go to bedroom, open it, and it is going to upload the image of bedroom. Okay, so again go here, go for kitchen. Once again I'll come here, I'll go for kitchen images, click on any of the kitchen image that you feel you can use, at least somewhere where there are some pots and pans. Okay, once again you can simply save the image as kitchen to desktop. Kitchen, save, go back to your quiz creator, go here, and then from the desktop go to kitchen, open, and there you have your kitchen image which is getting uploaded. So this is what we have. Let's go for the add answer option, and I want to select on kitchen, so I'll select there and save it. Okay, now what I can do is I can go to another question, or let me show you how to teleport. Go to the teleport option. So you go to teleport option, you will find there are various questions already created, quizzes already created by others over here. So now what you want to do is you can just select whichever you find is suitable. So for that, let me first include the grade. where I want, the grade in which I want. So let's see that I want the grades at KG to first. Okay, and now let's go for teleporting. See, over here you have 7th grade, 6 to 10, 3rd to 12. The grades are given here. So let us see which grade we want to use. Since I want to use for first grade, there is one quiz in the first grade standard. So let's see what it gives. Okay, see, there is something like, what does the man do to keep fit? He does yoga, he goes to the gym, he plays football. And here there is a picture of a gym. If you want, you can use it. What is the woman looking for? Jeans, shirts, and dress. Okay, so let me use this one. If I want, I'll just add it. And that question will be automatically added to your quiz. So in this way, you can search for already the inbuilt created quizzes, and you can teleport your questions from there. So we have teleported our question number 3. Now let's go for another question, and this time let's go for checkbox. So for here, suppose I want to use image. So again, let me go. I want to use image for healthy foods. So let us take any image from here. I would like to take an image which has fruits and vegetables together, but I don't think I'm getting any. Okay, so too much of food over here. Let's go to dinner and see what do we have here. Okay, so let's try this. It has some rice, some vegetables. So let's try this. Save image as dinner. Save it. Go back to quiz creator. If you want, you can simply drag it here. Okay, so the picture has come. And your question is, let's put the question over here as what does healthy food contain? Okay, the answers I'm giving: vegetables, fruits, chocolates, milk, add another option, and ice cream. Now, so okay, so the correct answers are vegetables, fruits, and milk. Indicate the correct answers and save it. Well, so we have basically got 4 quiz questions. This is a checkbox. The others are options, and one has been teleport. Well, so that's it. It's done. So we'll just give it as done. Now, if you want to assign your quiz, then go to assign homework. So go to assign quiz. Well, learners should complete the quiz by. So you can schedule your quiz over here. So 1 day, 1 minute from now, or whatever it is. So the time is given. If you want, you can change the date, you can change the time. Okay, so I'll make it at 26th, and I'll go to select a class. So in this case, we need to select the class. Okay, my quiz was, I have already attached this account with Google Classroom. So I can simply select a class over here and go to next. If you have no classes, suppose you do not have a class, then the moment this assigned to a class comes, then you have no classes, create one now or connect to Google Classroom. This dialog box will go. There you can connect to your existing classroom, or you can simply go to classes. Okay. So here we go to the classes. Since I have already got my classes, so I have already given it to that classes. But suppose you do not have, then you have to just write connect to classes, and it will uh, come back to this page, come to this page where you can create a class or you can connect to your class. Now I have done that. Here my quiz has been assigned to them, and all I have to do now is go and assign game. Well, it is done over there. It's been assigned to Google Classroom and everything. And whenever you feel that it's done, all you have to do is end your game, and that will be done. So it has been assigned to 5 students. None of them has completed. In complete 5, you will get the full report out here as well. Okay. Now, if you want, we can go to Google Classroom and see what exactly we are going to get over there. For that, let's go to our Google Classroom. And here, see, Imran posted a new assignment via quizizz, GK and conversation. So it is reflected over here. When you click on that, you get this instructions. You can go to instructions, and this is the quizizz mobile link. This is the web link. So if the students have a mobile, they can go and access it through a mobile, or they can access it through a PC. They can complete their quiz, submit it, everything can be done from here. Well, so that's all for today. This is how you can assign, you can create a quiz. Either you create your own quiz, or you can teleport some of the questions if you feel like. You can add voices, audio, or you can add images, and create to make your quiz as interesting as possible, and you can post it to Classroom. Well, that's all for today. Thank you.